The new Hell Sunday Times bestseller series strikes again.
Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, one of the greatest minds of the Enlightenment, is in hell writing the third installment of his magnum opus, Faust. His plan is to present the play at the Goetheanum to a private showing of the saints of the Gnostic Catholic Church, of which he is a member. Beethoven, Paracelsus, Adam Weishaupt, and others are there in attendance. At the performance of the play, things go horribly awry when Satan makes an appearance. Goethe tries to turn the tables on Satan by declaring in his play that hell is not hell but actually purgatory. For this crime of sedition and blasphemy, he suffers the full wrath of Satan.
The best, the worst, the ugliest bards in perdition vie for Satan's favor as poets slam one another. Satan's fallen angels smirk up their sleeves, and the illiterati have their day.